Jen, we're outside the DCYF district office here in Manchester. This is the busiest office in the state and the one where Harmony's case should or would land based on her last known address. Questions continue about how closely DCYF followed Harmony's case after a Massachusetts judge granted custody to her biological father. A Massachusetts judge is now in the middle of the high-profile child protection case involving missing 7-year-old Harmony Montgomery.
Our question is, why would the judge make that decision without the home study being done, without the interstate compact being put in, or request that an interstate compact be completed and put into place?
An interstate compact for the placement of children, ICPC, is a statutory agreement between all 50 states that governs the exchange of confidential protected information when securing placement of a child who is currently in the custody of a child protection agency. But it is now public that a home study that was supposed to be done through the ICPC was never completed in Harmony's case because a judge gave custody of Harmony to her father, Adam, before the work was done. The Office of the Child Advocate in Massachusetts and New Hampshire are now reviewing what happened.
We are cooperating to the fullest extent possible that we can with the Office of the Child Advocate here in Massachusetts, which is an independent entity that is reviewing this case and has the ability to access the data that's necessary to figure out exactly what happened.
Governor Sununu says DCYF asked Massachusetts for more information before scheduling the home study, but it didn't matter.
But it all started with that judge, I don't know who this judge was, putting that child, that little girl, in the custody of that monster. And that gets us all pretty furious.
I felt his pain in that letter. I did. And like everybody else, I feel a tremendous amount of pain associated with what happened to Harmony.
And tonight, News 9 has learned that attorney Russ Riley, who has handled some high-profile lawsuits against DCYF, is now representing Harmony Montgomery's biological mother. Riley declined comment to News 9 tonight, saying he's still learning the facts about the case. We're live in Manchester this evening. Amy Cavino, WMUR News 9.